Hey guys, what's up? Welcome on Top Fishing Videos. I'm David. So you are in the right place if you like fishing and fishing videos. So before watching this one, don't forget to subscribe and tick the bell. So see you after this video. Now let's watch.
He's gonna get hung up in the trees. Nice. This is the biggest bass I've ever caught. Look at this thing. Look at this fish. That's huge. Fish on. No! Mother. Oh, that felt so good, dude. Not too bad looking. Y'all want to see a waterfall?
Man, what the heck is that? Really deep there for a second.
Let's do it.
Oh, the wind's catching me.
Uh-oh. Wait,
You get one?
I got one.
Yeah. Let's go. Let's go.
I guess dead sticking it's the key. I guess we just have to dead stick it, chat. What in the world? You get- Wow. I thought I was hung up. I was like, dang it. I let it on the bottom too much.
I'm glad you got one in the boat. I think they're just now starting to move to the beds. Because all my fish have been right off the bank.
Yeah.
Yeah, really shallow water.
Shoot, man, that thing stunk too. It was a fishy one. Look, it got hit.
That hole was full of them.
Oh, God.
Ned rig for the win.
I've never caught anything on a Ned rig before.
That's awesome.
Kind of technically number 3.
I consider that number 3.
This is where I need to put the Helga mile on. Oh, so. Yeah. Hey. This is crazy. What the crap? Number 4, chat. Number 4. Copper Truce net rig. Yeah. It's a little tiny one again. It might be the same one. Number 5, Jack.
Yo, so thanks for watching this fishing video. Before leaving, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, and put a thumbs up. See you, bye bye guys, take care.